In this topic, we are going to continue the sum of the roots of the equation. In the particular topic, நம்ம continue பண்ண போறோம். இந்த topicல என்ன இருக்கு அப்படினு கேட்டிங்கனா, they will be giving you some equation and then they will be asking you to find the sum of the equations, like some of the roots, like summation of alpha beta or summation of alpha square or summation of alpha square beta and so on. These are some important SAVMA questions. இதை வந்து நம்ம instead of handling through the problems, I am going to give you the ideas how to solve all the equations in general if it is of order 3. If it is of order 3, the roots will be alpha, beta, gamma. Then the possible questions are summation of alpha square. Summation of alpha square will be equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. It can be written as alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. It can be written as alpha plus beta plus gamma the whole square minus 2 times alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma delta. Okay, then you know the drill, how to find alpha plus beta plus gamma, how to find alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma delta. Then easily you can complete the remaining part. Next thing is summation of alpha square beta. It can be written as alpha square into beta plus alpha square into gamma plus alpha square into alpha beta gamma only. There will be not there will not be delta. So beta square into alpha plus beta square into gamma. Similarly, beta square gamma square into alpha plus gamma square into beta. How to rearrange it அப்படினு கேட்டிங்கனா, there is a shortcut, alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma delta minus of 3 times alpha beta gamma. It is a short form, kind of cheating. directly நம்ம எழுதிட போறோம். நீங்க இதை ரீஅரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி செப்பரேட் பண்ணாலும் கடைசி இதுதான் கிடைக்க போகுது. It is better to know it in the first step. ஓகேங்களா? So it will be easier for you. Directly you can substitute minus p, q and minus r into this. Next question is finding the summation of alpha square and beta square. இதுக்கு பண்ணும்போது it will be alpha square beta square plus beta square gamma square plus gamma square into alpha square. So it will be alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Sorry, it will not be delta, it is alpha. Okay, in the whole square minus 2 times alpha beta gamma into alpha plus beta plus gamma. Once again, we have to remember these things so easily we can approach the problems. Okay, 1 by alpha square, summation of 1 by alpha square, it will be 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square plus 1 by gamma square. இதை எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணலாம்? We can take LCM எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா beta gamma square plus gamma alpha, beta square gamma square, gamma square alpha square beta square divided by alpha beta gamma the whole square. Once again, the drill is you have alpha square beta square, summation of alpha square beta square. you substitute the value of this result into this. Okay, the next is summations. Summation of power 3 is almost done. You won't be getting much, and also there may be few alpha plus beta into beta plus gamma into gamma plus alpha equal to r minus pq. How to solve this அப்படின்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, once again you add all the values, you multiply everything in between. Alpha plus beta, here gamma is missing, reduce gamma, and here beta plus gamma irukku, alpha is missing, alpha plus beta plus gamma minus alpha. Here beta is missing, alpha plus beta plus gamma minus beta will be equal to p minus gamma, p minus alpha, p minus gamma. Every p is of negative, and then you multiply this thing and rearrange, you will be getting the required result. Okay, similarly we will be having the problem of power 4. power 4ல என்ன ஒரு simple thing அப்படின்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, it can be solved using power 3 or order 3. okay, order 4ல order 3 ஓட ஃபார்முலாஸை நம்ம நிறைய ரீயூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். எப்படின்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, if you have summation of alpha square beta, alpha square beta அப்படின்னும் போது நம்ம இங்கே என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணமோ அதே ஃபார்முலாவை இங்கே நம்ம ரீயூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். பட் என்ன ஐடியாவோ அந்த ஐடியாவை அங்கே ரீயூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். வாட் இஸ் த ஐடியா இன் இயர் அப்படின்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, summation of alpha beta minus 3 times summation of alpha beta gamma. இதை நம்ம இங்கே ரீயூஸ் பண்ணிக்க போகிறோம். equal to summation of alpha into summation of alpha beta minus 3 times summation of alpha beta gamma. Similarly, alpha square, இதோட எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன் என்னன்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, summation of alpha square beta gamma. இதை வந்து எப்படி எழுதலான்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, summation of alpha into summation of alpha beta gamma minus 4 times summation of alpha, not summation, product of alpha beta gamma delta, alpha beta gamma delta. And also if there is summation of beta plus gamma plus delta or the whole square, you can take it as what is the missing term, summation of alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta minus alpha is missing, so minus alpha the whole square. It will be p, and then the same drill as this particular problem. இதுக்கப்புறம் இதை expand பண்ணணும். ஓகேங்களா? Similarly you can expand in the same way. Please look at the notes I have given. Okay.